Welcome to Rustbuster's installation guide.
for the vehicles listed at the bottom of your screen.
Before you begin, if you're uncomfortable performing any of the processes listed in this guide, then we strongly suggest you seek the work of a professional. Ensure you have all the tools and utilities listed and that you are following all of the manufacturer's safety precautions during use. Step 1. Disconnect your vehicle's battery. Inspect for potential fire hazards such as leaking fuel lines and engine components. Repair or remove these before starting. Finally, clear the work area of any safety hazard.
Step 2. Lift the truck's bed to provide more room to work. Uninstall and remove the leaf spring and shackle. Cut off the factory leaf spring mount. Step 3. Cut and grind away any debris or obstructions left in the work area. Bare metal should be revealed where the factory mount was installed. Step 4. Spray the work area with a weld-through primer to defend your frame from future rust. Using the factory part silhouette, align the replacement mount on the frame rail. Following proper welding procedure, tack weld the support in place prior to welding all edges fully. Step 5. Paint the part and work area with rust inhibitor to prevent or reduce future rust formation.
We recommend our Rustbuster Rust Converter and Primer Spray Paint.
Finally, using the included hardware, reinstall your truck's leaf spring shackle and leaf spring, then lower and reinstall the bed. Now, get back out on the road.